Roman shimmer heavy 3-piece collection just for you. You can see on the table different color collection, and plus with the different designs you'll get same color, same design, medium, large, XL, double XL combo. So let's come with the first piece. See, you can see this beautiful bandhej design with a double color tone, pink and orange color tone, plus with mirror work, and you can see on the neck hand work plus thread work plus mirror work. Beautiful V-cut design. It will come along with the Roman silk pants. You can see the pants also very comfortable, and you can see the firma as well. So if I talk about the comfort, you can see the name, it's Shiven Trendz. So let's talk about the dupatta. It will come in the same fabric, Roman shimmer fabric. If you want to see the sample, you can see the sample also on the dummy, how beautiful it looks. If you want this collection for your shop, you can directly call us, but don't call for B2C. We only provide B2B, and pick and drop facility is also available. If you are coming in Surat, you can call us, we will pick you. And secondly, if you can't come to Surat, you can purchase online. Video call facility is also available. Let's go on to the next piece. Beautiful green parrot color. You can see the printing as well, how beautiful printing it will have. And you can see the double color tone, dark and light color, green color tone. It will come with the same mirror and thread work combination, V-cut design. You will get medium, large, XL, double XL combo. And if I talk about the pants, you'll get the same raw silk pants, contrast pants, and it will come with a proper Roman silk dupatta, 2-meter dupatta for you. If you want this collection, again I am saying you can directly take the screenshot. Plus, if you are a small business owner, you want to order this collection, you just have to do one thing. You can do one thing, you can order online, plus COD facility is also available. Let's go on to the next piece. Yellow color, very nice collection. You can see very stylish collection, heavy daman work, mirror work. You can see the neck work as well, and you can see the back printing as well. You can see the back print also. Plus, if you want this collection, you can get it. It will come with the Astar cotton Astar collection. You can see the Astar also, pure cotton Astar. If you want to know the price, you can call directly. And if you are coming to Surat, address is in the description box. See the collection, Roman silk pants. It will come with a proper Roman shimmer dupatta. You can see the dupatta, 2-meter dupatta. You can see heavy 3-piece collection. You want this collection, you know wedding season is going on, wedding season is coming, season has started. So what are you waiting for? Order now. Let's go on to the last collection. Here the collection doesn't end. We have 1-piece, 2-piece, 3-piece, COD says heavy 3-piece, light 3-piece, daily wear 3-piece. So this is the time you can order now. See this collection, very stylish, very nice, and plus with a bold printing, mirror work and the thread work and mirror work. You can see the contrast sleeves also. It will come with a proper purple color pants, contrast pants. You can see the comfortable pants also. And if I talk about the dupatta, you will get the Roman shimmer dupatta, again 2-meter dupatta. So you want this collection, order now, plus COD facility is also available. So what are you waiting for? Now you have to do one thing. Like this channel, comment this channel, and share the channel, subscribe the channel, and tell me one thing, from which city or state you are watching this video.